Hello and welcome back. In this session, we will take a look at lambda functions or anonymous functions. In Python, anonymous function is nothing but a function without a name. Whenever we define a function, we use def keyword, which is define keyword. And in case of anonymous function, we use a lambda keyword. That is why it is also called lambda functions. Anonymous or lambda function. So earlier we have seen a function which we have defined to find out a square of a number. So we defined that function with a name which is square, and we provided an argument here, and then we were returning the value as num multiplied by num. Okay, so this is how usual definition of a function works, and we call that by using square and providing the argument here, let's say 5, and we will enclose that in print so that we get the output. Okay, so this is the normal function. In case of anonymous function, we have keyword called lambda followed by expression. Now I will convert this square into a lambda function. Square is equal to lambda, which is the keyword, lambda, which is a keyword, followed by argument, which is num, followed by colon, and the expression. The expression here is num multiplied by num. Let us see this lambda function first. So square is the name of the variable. Now we don't have a definition for this function. Instead we have a lambda keyword followed by the argument which this anonymous function takes, and this will return whatever the value which this expression returns, which is num multiplied by num. So how do I call this anonymous function? Square and provide the value. It is similar to how we call the usual function. Okay, so let us print this. So instead of 5, I will take, let us say 7. Okay, so this is printing 49 now. So it is not necessary that you have to have only one argument here. With lambda function or anonymous function, you can also have multiple arguments. So let me take another example here. Mult val is equal to lambda x comma y followed by colon x multiplied by y. And mult val provide 5 comma 8. Okay, let me print this. Okay, so print and execute this. Now this is printing 40. So 8 multiplied by 5 is 40. So this is how we can make use of a lambda function or anonymous function. Another example which I can think of now is to check if a number is even. Okay, we can write a lambda expression, lambda number if number is percentile 2 equals to 0. So this is the expression which returns true or false, and whatever the number which we are going to provide, it will evaluate whether it is even number. For example, print even of 5. So 5 is not an even number. So let me execute this. It returns false. So let us try 10. So this returns true. Okay, so this is to check whether a particular number is even. Okay, so this is how we can make use of anonymous functions or lambda functions. That is the end of this session. Thanks for watching.